What's up, everybody? Audi Volkswagen enthusiasts. I've got some good news and some bad news for this video. So basically, we done run a compression test. Figure we probably got some bent valves. Basically, if you haven't watched my videos, what happened is my crank bolt down in there walked itself back, took a shit. Rest in peace my timing. Rest in peace my valves. We're not getting the compression that we want to see. This is an Audi AEB. And usually when you're checking compression on these engines, I think that you want to be anywhere from 144 to 188. And the wear limit is really like probably 101 PSI. And first time I read this, we were maxing out at 90 in the first. Couldn't get any compression in the second cylinder. By that time the battery was pretty much toast. It was fully charged. Only tried cranking it like 2 times, and so that's not a good sign either, but it's a no start. We're not getting compression, so obviously it's not a good sign, and I'm going to take off the head to get a closer look at the valves. But the good news is I ordered a head off eBay for $600, including a core charge. If I send this one back after I'm done, then I get refunded some money, I think. But I mean, hopefully if all goes well, I can just, as soon as I get the new head, put it back in, and everything should go smooth. Install the freaking cam chain, redo all the time. It's like the 5th time I've done timing on this car. So if you haven't done timing on this car and you're looking at doing it or have to do it, just know that it gets easier. Be patient, take your time. You really don't want to make any mistakes at all when you're doing this timing, because it could lead to some seriously catastrophic engine failure and other issues. And so we're gonna unbolt the intake from the head itself. Hopefully not have to remove the fuel rail. We're definitely going to have to remove these vacuum lines. We're going to have to unbolt this heat shield and take it off. We're going to have to unbolt these 3 bolts right here that hold the turbo. And undo all this shit, including the coolant flange in the back. And I guess as we do that, I'll show you how it comes apart, but it seems pretty straightforward, and it'll be alright eventually. Got a part coming for the all-road on Monday. The whole gear indicator set up. That includes the circuit board inside. The code I was pulling on that was F189 for the Tiptronic recognition switch, and that basically is locked the wagon in park. Won't roll, won't shift any gear, only reads park on the dash. So after I swap that out, hopefully I'll be rolling, get to work. And then on the 19th, whatever day that is, I should have the new head and be able to start installing it. We'll see how it goes.